So this is just a quick video doing 132, page 132, question 5. So I'm going to start anyway by drawing these two circles, these two light blue circles first of all, okay? It gives us radius 35 and there's 49 between both of the centers, okay? That's a radius of 35. And there is 49 between the two centers there. So that's our first part. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get this radius 70 circle. So if we flick back in our book and we see what example is similar to this. So example 2, okay? So what do? They minus the two radiuses. So it's going to be radius 70 minus radius 35. And the second one is the exact same. So we're getting our two radiuses. Minusing them from the big radius. Okay. So what we're going to do is get that new distance on our compass, which is 35, swing it from the center of the circle here, and where they intersect and where they meet is going to be our center, okay? So where are they meeting and intersecting? They're meeting and intersecting there, right? So basically I don't have to swing my 35s again because that's them there. So if I set my compass now to 70, right compass there, it's gonna just hit, or it should just hit our two circles perfectly, okay? Like that. Okay? Now, it's 80 millimeters from this center of the circle. It's 80 there. So I can just draw this line straight across. I can go straight across here from the top of my circle. That little bit drawn in. Now I'm going to focus on the spout, okay? So the spout is 5 millimeters over the top here. Nice and lightly. From this center point, it's out at 45 degrees, okay? So I'm going to get my 45 degree set square from this center here up till it hits that point. It then travels a distance of 32. That's to there. Now, down here it tells me from this center point over here there's a radius 55 swinging up in this direction. So I'm going to get 55 on my compass. Center point here, and I'm going to swing it up. Then it tells me that there's a 20 in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line straight down here from this point. And on it, I'm going to measure 20 millimeters. Going to go straight across here to see where it starts. I'm going to set my compass to 20 millimeters. And they should sit like that. So that's my spout now finished and the main part of the teapot. So all I've left now is my handle. Okay, so it tells me from this point here there's a radius 50 for the start of the handle. So radius 50. From this point also, there's a 30-degree line brought up. So I'm going to get my 30-degree set square. That point there, so that's it there. Now there's a radius 25. So what I'm going to do is on my compass, I'm going to get 25. I'm going to step back in this line here. That should meet there, and it's going to go up and meet that point there then as well. Okay? The last thing now we need to do in this drawing is get our points of contact. So how do we get our points of contact? They go from where the circle, the bigger circle was drawn, the center there, out through the center of the original circle. That's one point of contact. This middle one over here. So you could say there are 2 points as well. That's question completed, page 132, question 5.